What was really impressive to me on the C400, it right out of the box just looked fantastic. I'm Geoff Hartley. I am the video guy at First Baptist Rogers in Northwest Arkansas. So technology plays a key role in our worship services. From lyrics on screen, we have a gigantic LED wall, so our video system is very important. We wanted to make sure that the video system was as robust and as good looking as possible. And we noticed that pretty much everything was going to the cinema broadcast direction rather than traditional broadcast. We were able to get our hands on the Canon EOS C400, and we were able to put it to the test in a lot of different situations, and you might be surprised how versatile it is. You can't shoot Canon without taking note of their color science. Only Canon has really been, I'd be able to look at the viewfinder and then look up, and it looks like the same thing. A lot of cinema cameras nowadays have what's called dual base ISO, which basically means that once you hit the second base ISO, which is going to be a higher one, there's a lot less noise in your image. Canon has, it's very unique, is it has a triple base ISO. And so basically the benefits from dual base ISO are multiplied. What was really impressive to me on the C400, we were able to record one of our faith stories for our Christmas program. It was just right out of the box, just looked fantastic. We went with Canon Cine servo lenses. I could see volunteers benefiting a lot from the focus guides. Those are really helpful to really dial in manual focus. You tap the screen, there's a box with arrows on top, and as you focus closer, the arrows line up and it turns green and it says you're in focus. Just those little quality of life tools that Canon has kind of perfected, particularly with their lensing and their ergonomics, are really nice. I think the C400 would make for a really great main camera in a broadcast setting. Based on the connectivity that it has plenty of outputs with HDMI and SDI, and it's very configurable in that sense. You know, from the bigger shoots to really even the smallest of shoots, you can really utilize this camera and set it up for whatever you need.